see etiminya inland port no wo Boankra e di nwuma ebeba santimam ebeba mabu no wa santimam anya nwuma ye ebe bie asantimam ama asantimam emu abie yenu anu me wo the northern sector, northern region, upper west, upper east and bono and half regions and two kwan tenten konkran debi it is our project no ye you are the kumkofo ani suade hu a onya ya na nkebema asantema adumpon ye ba metaka enye otan de ndisi enam otan ne akomapa a omunima asantema ntino for 8 good years from 2009 to 2016 jomama bedi mampanyini Boankra inland port wanko ho da wa mo ho wada wa mfa contractors ankoso da wa ma na se tuwa me kan wasem bia ye hu de sa till 2017 and Nanado danko akufo ado ne MPP ba power enti Nanado ma contractors e ba Boankra inland port no mani je enti me twam na me hunu say project no machines ni ade eguso that was the first time when me taking video na video ni call viral the whole Ghana me na me video nim I was the first time wa me nya akwanya ene owura of Mr. Fapim a oye contractor na worship project no Asante Port Asante Port open na omo ye Boankra inland port me nya akwanya ne papa ne be ye close pa the project no day in day out na mani di akire at a point in time about platform we so at the certain criticism about transport minister Mekai on that show on this program
yes
we were criticizing transport minister respectfully the government my people may disagree with me on this position me said the transport minister honorable Siama and I also all the problem of Boankra inland port
Boankra issues
that's my personal opinion
it is a termination of contract be Bama Mr. Fapim and a company no see you are buying the transport minister
I say I want to make this public statement I say I've been close to that project on that show that day I'm a beka asasem no so busa bright our producer transport minister Freno I think I had made the same statement on Kesben TV and radio Emma transport minister Frey I think I say almost all the radio stations are making that allegation said the transport minister frustrated Boankra inland port program project
intentional and I say a dear dinner bema the transport minister honorable Siama aye bibisa
ma make his statement and I have no with me me home free sa
unyina so ne say unyina so ne say still to so yes statement no now that so ejina wasem so say on the frustrated Boankra inland port project
at a point in time it was a personal position I took against the transport minister say Santimai project ananke be peja Santimai anim na MPP edin akosoro no ono kwa for his personal interest ono kwa for his personal interest na of frustrate adwuma no but they say acquire the decision of the government
I didn't hear.
Oh, so you see, say there's a statement from government. Say a buying AG contract ne free. Say, but I think I will come back again.
AG the free, Mr.
That is what I've seen. A statement that I've seen publicly from government.
Okay.
I mean, so my supporters are buying be. Respectfully, I may disagree with the government. I think we should go into me kwama dwene. Me yankasa ma buying nyadwene.
On
this issue of Boankra inland port.
O ma contract ne dey free.
Hwe mo wayen concern mu ye ne ntwe transport minister ne ntrase na ye ntwe Fapim contractor na o ye adwuma ne ntrase
Asante Port
sankrofo emienu anu asem
taban ne efre sani pemienu no omo transe e bia omo take sa decision no omo person omo take no
that's my personal opinion and position
na officer aban na anya sa de we
yaw you see I'm not in government and I think I'm too far from government but I am on the ground Boankra inland port every almost a month bia me twam ko Boankra ko he subsequently and intermittently many contractor needing komo all the problems are from in executing this contract in I am aware at a point in time I call attorney general the position and decision of attorney general attorney general Fred minister I am aware of everything which is happening me say personally me as an individual not in government I disagree and I think say nya abutre with all humility na ye Fred transport minister honorable Siama na ye Fred honorable Fapim contractor any akuma papa ne de buy so obema sa project we atumponse tie omi no asem ya we may not take that decision that we have taken.
Raf adesika na eni ho na government no na eni sika so omode ye Boankra inland port project na ma aban egi adwuma de afri Mr. Fum Nsamana.
Unfortunately enya aban sika na odi AC. And I think it's a BOT agreement.
Build, operate and transfer.
For a certain period and transfer to government.
Okay.
Enti
Mr. Fum no na di ni sika ye.
Yes, on any partners.
On any partners. Okay.
Me Jiri said this is my personal opinion respectfully. Me pese me komu bebre. But me Jiri say the transport minister should be invited, probably if possible. Me nimba be see here there. Yen to san frɛ papa no. The minimum was our contract we muno. The minimum project we muno. I think I'm not happy about the decision that has been taken. Any frustration yeah, the amount of contractor, especially Adrimpa, Mr. Fum, Edibesha project. Yaw, minka ho asem bia bio.
The Ralph Sappho Raphael Patrick, were the Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer of the ruling New Patriotic Party. Mame enkinka mo messages kakra. Masaud Bantama or say the NDC has never and will never present a competent leader to lead their party. And I say omo anything good to offer Ghanaians. Into way Masawood and Odiwe Ebaye. Agumbia de Sharif say good morning. Good morning. Vikings Amicus Korea. Okay. Chefman Atonsu Kumase or say good morning Ghana. Chefman good morning Mechmedi say oh yeah. And Danso Nelson or say watching from Bokrom Estate Sompa all the way or say you're doing a great job. Good morning. Felix Opon Bampena say Dachehene Nana Kojupon or say Mr. Husband watching Felix Opon Mrs. Mema watching on one crowd the Eddie about say this year's election above or say NPP NDC candidates ningina omuni message bia de emayen we Felix Opon Bampena say on so ne de eno BB from offense masse or say de bia obon nsem de ma MPP aban if we say omoba bemu bia omo ewo nhihye papa de emaga na man adehye also greetings to Ojedu Brefo and Mr. Bodia one more ewo offense so mo messages kakra on Facebook and makenkan de amamo no in terms of for we de ye tete de free Boankra inland port project no ho nsem akwakoye pi say hu say contractor no ebe movie from site obesesa ne niema every site on more akọ if you say there has been a termination alleged a termination
there's a termination it's not allegation there's a termination and I think say me say you see there's this guy he was Nigeria friend Gani Fawahimi Gani Fawahimi and Oka Simbi was Nigeria brad now they were fighting against corruption Abacha buying all the subsequent governors say se nipa nyina ko gina ba bi no mu nyina ye wrong now till one be the right person you have to take that decision.
Yes,
and I believe so on this decision by my own government I disagree with the government.
And found so we the Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer of MPP now party na wabem not such a project like this ebia your government might be right you
me say me ne aban enya adwene on me say Boankra inland port the speed the rapidity with which the contractor you need to execute that work and then the frustration the minister
no ye contractor ne dey na on release funds na on sign ne mo friend say ne certificate ni ade manana
ya maka me say we have been lucky say contractor na wo ye adwuma no nkasa
Mr. Fum
yes
on any partners na omo ye Boankra
yes
inland port no
and I will not stop saying this thing. See that is me.
I say unim niema ye unim niema pia ye nim.
I know a lot in this contract any document that I have but okay since when I started raising issues and drawing government officials and in 24 omo ano e wa ban mo ne regime into that contract I think people didn't take me serious. And I knew say you bedru ha.
You will do a point to say.
I knew say you bedru baby edre because any minister no. These are private conversations I don't want to say. And I spoke to him on phone over this issue. Yeah. And I told him my personal position based on the little that I know in this contract. Maybe say he has not been fair to Asante. And I've been receiving calls. Menya calls baby. And Masha say I'll be getting calls.
Now Ralph say your members of parliament from Ashanti region, your party executives, your ministers, your Emperimfo P from Ashanti region. Adia way ijomu nim said the ekoni such a huge project. Baby a Wankra inland port no or between Ashanti region and Eastern region. And a kobase ya yeni ya won finfia saying no from Western region, Western North, edeba ebia yebeka so more Western region do more takrade njebi ombefe no but yenu maybe omo sehwi ne ade no they are closer to us yenu mo sunyan omo bunu east even Eastern region ni okufodua sebi office obeba Boankra no benya ne niema quickly no de akwa onkotema nkota krade nkonkopere nti MPs no the Ashanti caucus omonya aware of sa niema we are ekosu say project kesiye say the aba bedroni
project we Boankra Inland Port project no any the airport project
yes
KJTR market second phase project
yes maternity yes
would have been one of the massive President Kufuor's project in Ashanti region.
Monumental.
You see, some of the explanations I heard already also only Asante mine nipe wa Asante mem ehia o say oh you hunu project kesiya wa Asante region
MPP
because of signature project, monumental projects like Boankra, like second phase of KJTR, like Kwasi International Airport, like the maternity block. These are monumental, visible projects in the history of this country and in Ashanti. Wouldn't even compare any project and Kebaba regime. You see, people say all these things. No more free projects are. President Kufuor are spreading across this region.
Yeah.
President Kufuor
but you who we no say kesia nipa be touch your lives no millions.
Yes. Don't forget. Me no kasa in Ashanti region. President Kufuor agenda 11 hospital who 17.
Agenda 111
hospital and I ongoing. Me no kasa Ashanti region court to dine at President Kufuor is in Ashanti region 34. Police station dine and yasenketwa. Astroteps 23.
By ye pe Boankra ye pe KJTR Central Market. And on a man for pe.
South project
yes. Yeah.
Yaw Boamah one project the first phase of KJTR project. Yeah. And not even the almost 16, 17 at the 111 hospital. No. Yet still Ghana ni anasa Santinia branch na baba wako hunu KJTR second first phase project na. Oji this Yaw Boamah ABB chair President Kufuor. Ne referee the Astroteps 23 almost 25. Ne referee agenda 111 hospital. Ne referee ambulance 49 ambulance in Ghana President Kufuor because you 47 constituency. And Oma Komfano Chibako and Oma Kumasi Sports Stadium Subako. Kumasi Asante region 49. So we police station I court to dine judge for dying who President Kufuor and so go Asante region. Still when is Santinia branch and obey right? Before 2016, na Kumasi akwan nyina la tutu. Eno na ya na metaka na se yakwa demonstration ko pre kwan. E ma Yaw Boamah be di Asantefo atem so wanka, but ye nim se on record. O ka kira Asantefo se so the gold mpo be ya Asantefo kwan a enye ye fefisa akokọ sa kira kroma enye efe. Akwan ni nyina President Kufuor agu. Maka anwen kwanta tu Obuase road. E free Asokwa interchange Atonsu Ahensan Ekosi Lake Road. Me no kasa Kwabre. Almost Kwabre akwa nyinara. Common town roads. Almost all the district capitals. President Kufuor akwan wayen wa Ashanti region. Still, yada so explaining the enye wa Ashanti region.
Because you Kumasi Central Market because Kumasi Airport here na no obe commission ye still you say.
You see. But enu kran e de ni gene certain relief. Ye hunu Kumasi airport no guano ate pressure no so kakra man and na Swami interchange and na me ba ha chepa say project Swami
interchange yes it take shape
Mirika project ne dey kono e free Swami roundabout to akosi makuru ye hunu bi say da dia kan say Kumasi fo be hu say Swami interchange no ya kukuru ne tenten kakra si ho but one shasi anya ancillary roads na untimi nkoye me one no me no kasa ne first year draw Swami interchange project not from Swami roundabout to Tafokra na nka ho but now no matie the regional minister o chire mu say sa project no ye Swami interchange ni wie one fa Swami roundabout Tafo Mampo road na nka ho a empty work it said ye macro Swami roundabout akosi kronom no ye say ba be ye Swami roundabout akosi new road junction Tafo na sa ka ho so that the road will be complete.
Mobile from Swami roundabout to New Road Junction to Tafo.
Yes, that means
na easy traffic na ho. And no man, omo double and so mo yende.
Double. Mati the regional minister Honorable Simon Semensa no o ka say they are repackaging that contract and me say by now ye wie. Enti wa anya sa roads ni nyina connect anka ho a. Untimi nkukuru interchange ni nsi ho. Notwithstanding the projects Kufuor president only Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in Ashanti region still Santifo C on bezo monumental signature project. That is why me personally from day one I started making noise drawing the attention of the opinion leaders nipa omo ka be based on documents and amewo I can forward certain documents to you from day one.
Okay,
processes I go through me say at any point in time, I will blame the transport minister. So I'm fast Santifo interest and can do my
I don't no interest for Frubi.
I don't want to go into the details. Na min jai come. Say my can ha. I'm a many papa na move for phone frame me. I stood on my grounds. Say only Santifo MPP are buying anyini ye, but in personal interest. And I think I want to end on this statement.
Yate say ahemfo war a year Boankra will be meeting tomorrow. Yate say ahemfo wo Boankra nyina ene ne mpotamum will be meeting tomorrow. Echna omo ebehia no mo discuss this Boankra project. It was a your sase no mo de firm aban no. Hoping say ka project we mu bewie na bia royalties in kakran na bia omo nananom a e wo Boankra edi wura so ne communities e wo ho no no omo edi SOMPA so but omo hu ni sa.
So painful. Where I agree with ahemfo no say your eyes omo trans and say na no e kwa so buy elections. E kwa so buy election in wura etwa e Boankra ene nsase omo masisi adan asisi nsase a Boankra project ne be kan nyina de ayam hihie ne te ho.
Yes,
because according to nhihia da sa project no nsase bebre o say ejika Boankra project no ho.
Yeah,
nsase a bia yenuanom bi toto yesi so adan a na omunim say aban asase for a project. Most of the complaints anipa ewo area ho de ma nyina ne say ye do party ne so ye ba betu ye free baby etire. Omunim even almost stand. Ye be say atwe sa de we hu manso bi o me nya sure say honorable afum misafum no obetena odin am ye de na fa sa kwan na de be fa so. So what will happen? Delay of the project maka say ye primpunto ma ye fie ye primpunto ma ye region say ye Santifo and ye primpunto ma ye my Ghana ye say ye MPP fo nti na ye MPP fo mpanimfo nti asembisi ne bia as I see a pretty big Santimama will do it with a clear conscience. And this on this issue, I'm not against the government, but I think it's a personal position I've stated.
Mame enko mano sunamene the MC of Ejoso. The MC of Ejoso, Eso Frimpon, any asemi ho enkomo. Eso, good morning.
Good morning.
Eso nampacho ho ye.
Nyame adom na so.
Erade adom mesoso me ho ye Sara. Eso anopai ye ntete a ye tete. Ene se eso maminika Musa Boankra Inland Port project no. Se ehye Ejoso municipal ase na meboa.
Me ba jo Ejoso municipal.
Mo na project na ekosei.
Yo me da say ma mincha na mincha watiefo. Nyame adom project no eguso a ekoso. Enra ene na otwe ena Mira regional minister one empanimfo eba na mene no ene me presiding member ye nyina ye bo anan na yekohia empanimfo a omoye Wankra inland port ho adwuma yekodi be say 2 hours ho a omode yekọ ho nyina akọhwe adwuma koso sese a okọ sese a ina rosa inland port nyina no omahase a omo guso interchange a omo beye ene whole lot ndi adwuma na guso ayekoso
ya say government at terminate contract no eje e de free Ashanti port for ensem o bibi samfa wasum
nano news ena mete na ye ko monthly meetings attend the army engineer and represent me nyame adoma ombeko no efiada ebe enti okoba ne se bibi sa ho o the report but me ankasa news and I'm say the visa ekamaso
enti the last time amoko ho no na regional minister amoko ho no na contractors no ho omo ye adwuma
den Jasmo for ene omo ka ho nyina say the maka no okọ adwuma ekoso bankran lamporta ese woni ense o ka kire say wonam lord kwa no a na wanwuramu a ohunu ne ekoso but I can tell you say the kind of earth works no adwuma omo aye ewo ho no enya asem kitwa kra sisi amno ka say omo chase a akwan a ewo inland port nyina no omo eguso edikota eguso enti enya fedi agro ho kra
anopa mene Ashanti regional youth organizer Safo Raphael Patrick Edinkomo ofia na otia mena so frustrations a contractor na oye adwuma no ofam to the extent they say aban age contract no kra de free nsem ase aban no any sa project na so aban interest e sa project no mo e wo fom no kra sa contractor no aka bibi sa atro
Madam, I say, my name is regional minister, where the author force me dancing near na no fiada. Sada Naka, me MP, Eko Shaya, Osenka, Menene Concline. Now, regional minister, the letter basse, if Sefiana, ye, honorable Dr. John Pontia Comano, or the letter basse, Obeba, me Konyamin, my name, coordinating director, me presiding member, honorable Helena Mensa. I'm penny for I can ye bar regional minister Ekoye. Yekoye Kushia and penny for can be omu ewo a human hunina your comedy kind a briefing Emma Yenina Nema Ecoso. You really normally call for the Ekohe Juma Ecoso. Regards to Ashanti Post Authority issue no service sorry. Say the Macan Matthew news. But because man tibia ye committee na me engineer and representative over Friday or Koba as a sad some na yet on news no sa na tia afemit me say so can say bia yes but here then say so far funding a ekoso nyina government of Ghana and a funding adwuma na ekoso what you say enti anakwasa no no enti say the work can me news there Ashanti Post Services there no aban agf in them. But I'm yet to get documentation to that effect. Said be me kan ho sama me tell you say so aka.
Okay, na je say contractors o mo ye adwuma project no so no o mo be do so ana me boa.
Won say adwuma no concerning no na ye Ashanti Post Services. But contractor we man kasa ho no. Lead contractor na ye just more construction or no or site on na adwuma e fo nyina e adwuma 24/7.
Okay.
And there are two different things. And your contract away, you must say Jasmo, and you're trying to contract him.
Okay.
Because Jasmo, no, government of Ghana, Sika also demand no, or provided. But Nipana, or broker, do you know what government, or no contract, no, and I have to say, issue about.
Okay, now you say, Ashanti Port for no, omo ena deal no no omo partners e show mo nsa no omo contract na asema ba onemum just more constructions there or site or ye na djuma
djuma 24/7 ni mfidie nyina wo ho me se enura ne na wo twe ena me ne me regional minister ye call ho ma regional minister dey meeting me gina bontin e me ka regional minister ade a wonye ne maka me ne coordinator Mr. Tibia Bibio the presiding member honorable Helena Mensa me no mo nyina na ye kan ye minister ho ene ye call ho me see ye call di more than 2 hours the kind of boardroom a presentation my juma or moye or movia said the one grand lamport ebesia interchange ya ebe babu ankra sa area ho so that say free and cry bar over frostro akodare omo echo inland port ono so we try run about no program enya sem ketwa contractors ni go a consultant no e dey fair mo ma ye hu da bi o maduro ene enu November na ebi interchange ni ko mo kan wa so ma ye ni nyina awie enti say the maka no just no construction contractor no dey o wa we na juma na e Ashanti Port Services o mo na say the maka no ya ti say issue aba ono ne aban e contract no
yo eso me da se nemom gina so kakra bi ma Raf asamo a eso eken say the Ashanti Port wo mo no contract ne wo arrangement with government ene bia ho aba semba contractor na oye adwuma o site Jesmo Constructions there or what oye adwuma
the MCA ka bia no kre enye say adwuma no ye jaye o it's about 50% and over adwuma no go over 50 or 50-60%
adwuma okay
you see Ashanti Port Services Limited omo na ni aban enya sa nhye and Ashanti Port Services my subcontract to Jesmo
okay
in the Ashanti Port Service in the Kofa just more construction. So on my groundwork, earthwork. And now one crying land port one and Fidia Cassia and ye be good one.
No correct.
And Fidia be one a bit is a containers are no correct.
No correct.
A bit is one your form what money. One far buonia butine and guasa seneswa.
Yeah.
What the containers in this is a bit more form.
No correct.
And the Friday be earthwork.
Yes.
Sa grounds earthwork in Usika. Awura mu no enti wo twam na wo hu se dan ni si wa wo beka sa ban no contractor ne nyehwe
okay
for many since last year the last 2 years earthwork no kwa na Ashanti Port Service ni Jesmo Construction but emu no ho ne nsem no wo
okay
me de maka my position is clear government has taken a decision many will say Ashanti Port Service and the arbitration.
Yes, Matisa almost the arbitration.
Ashanti Port Service the arbitration.
The arbitration.
Because you see, some of me say my D project we achieve.
Yeah.
And SO Fapim as a presidential representative.
Yeah.
I agree and I respect him.
Okay.
But medium, I'm speaking as an individual party person. Santimai ho nsem nyame.
Yeah.
I'm raising this concern. Me say transport minister. Transport minister only Asante ni MPP aban and diniye
Mate
so we need to invite him
Mate
sit him down
Mate
na you invited Afum Asante Port Services Limited na you nti omo anu asem okoko mu yi
Mate
tisa Afum shas yes wo kasa we will not you see the ama asem we akoye on and off ni when abrakwamo any NDC for kodi issue na no moka into MPP ni a na akoye say we should defend the MPP.
Okay.
But this issue must go beyond MPP and DC.
MPP and DC, Matawase.
Black one document in parliament.
Yes.
Ana omu jina mu kasantino. O MPP ni. Na wa oso wa you say kasa MPP ni. Na obe kasa santini ni Ashanti region ni a. One we obe for the government. But I think this is my personal position.
Okay.
From day one. Me nyai ho asem ka enye nne na me be sesama no me gidi say ye minister we need to invite him na yentie na no asem yi especially when ye nananom person o mudi sa asem o
no correct so where dia me no wie kra no ya te say nananom o mo boankra kra so besia tena na Oma take a decision on this Boankra project ne issues are eba wo ho bebrebe anyambia afa wasumu ana eso
me bacho me no ka de menya ntie bia tisa
okay because ye ne continue na ekasa ye na off air na o ka kire say nanom so afa masoma metena omo ebehia wo ho nti ene ye on TV bisa na ne ye bo amane ye gya wakwa akoye aban cratch penny a owo Ejusu municipal de ne tia o na so say bibisa ebekoso why
yo
mate me yeso na wasia no penya me nshira no adaje
mate
yo
bye
Azafo we aye ora eso frimpon we MC ewo Ejuso municipal Boankra inland port ni project yi ehye Ejuso municipal aseme kai se by election me call honum na mu se enye asem ketwa nya asase ketwa na omo eka ho asem sa na ye onipa pi so a omo so no omo akope asase around project no a omo so o si warehouse o si ohun ebi apartment kakra nipa ba obepe baby duty ato nti se koba se ya na eya akwako hadwene Ralph de se mene no na sase mame ema Patrick Etua esoso akwaba pato akwaba
am Joso
na ho ye
afanisa
oh wafanisa se nyame ya doma mane twedi amponya nkrompo obi e pona maye
ebi emponya nkopon side ne ma
okay yes
nyankopon da wase so am abetena SOMPA TV
amen maka amen
na ya da nyankopon ase here economic issues intina make us
that's it economic issues currently na ma Boankra project is so e di hu komo
bi o say eji na soko to so bi ewu a free sada no ye wo yo na yonko da no da nti say onam street na hu se nkofo aho kire amanfo mu sire sika mo nam amanfo mo nam aho kire nipa na mu ni ade uhu a say utimi
yes
so sometimes when we speak about these things
me producer say won now to ye any depa no mate o say aji
na soko to so bi ewu a aji free sada no yo na yonko da no da so nti onam street na uhun kofo ya wo mo nam mu ni ade no you should be able to feel the pain as say utimi ehye ti ana ye betra na ye kasa ho kira and prepare ni ana enye ya nkasa because ya de ya tata bi se bi nyankopon de adu de beto aduane adidi ye wo esori ye tumanya ka tu another da mafu wo boarding den atofu 100 cedis na da nam so for us we can but amanfo a to be able to feel for them and onya sa platform we and come omo a e de omo na show omo santi ti betena ha e si ejina omo nam na ye kasa mo omo ma oman no mo e de show omo santi hu se nipa wo oman ni mu ha aho kire wo omo ho kire wo na se omo won se bi om betima ya omo ya ma ne boy enti ne ba ha se ya na ye bisa nkomo no we need to speak to reflect the feelings of Ghanaians. Sure. How Ghana for them. I just want to be their mouthpiece, the voice of the voiceless, and speak for them. Maybe I am a woman before our material.
And I say you've been very emotional this morning
because of walking on the street of Kumasi this morning. Who never be a na utimi na pure water for na papa na ya nso so mo.
One call on it.
Senior, because I know how many people are buying it, but one
quality need
from traffic in 2 hours to the end. My own will be clear to any be. But the person know the whole day. Now or the nam. So one more. Those are so sentiment. And until my movie. Ya tu ya ho so was say ya be ya man yourself na se bia Nyankopon fa ya so ne betima san dynamics ne kakra. Ya timi asesan na Boankra ne de e be dey. Ensem ho Boankra
kakakra cheme.
Oh,
Boankra inland port project kakakra cheme.
One,
ensem no.
There's a basic problem with Boankra. So usi inland port without a railway line, elephant.
Yes. And for so be any so.
Because the entire yesi port ne say inland countries, na kase inland countries are amina epo eni ho no. Say Burkina mu Niger ne Mali mu no. Ghana, any Cote d'Ivoire, any Togo, any options more crack as any market see about no more be your ports and I mean do come away. In Ghana per se ye proactive. Na your position ahead of your other countries, competitively.
Yeah.
So what we are doing is we are trying to reduce the distance.
Yeah.
In reducing the distance, you move port from Insuana and from inland.
Yeah.
And so a free Kumasi bank is if you Accra, Kumasi is more than 200 kilometers, about 287 kilometers.
Yeah.
So reduce no na the Kumasi. Obi o free Burkina Faso urban. What in the cost of transportation? So by about 280 something kilometers.
Yeah, kilometers. It's true.
Senka obeto fu Ghana sikem 3,000 cedis from Burkina to Accra. Maybe at this time obeto 1,500, obeto 1,000.
Yeah.
And nobody may influence any decision say or crania ma ba on fa Ghana ports. So the inland port, the main target here, inland countries.
Yeah.
Ebio na say reduce traffic na ewo your port hono. Na amaya yes what this part of the country. Say a free Ashanti region have Bunu East na they no. Yanso so nya easy access to the port.
Yeah.
And say the China says the container no ebedru epona no a. San say puntimi mede kumase ntino.
Yeah.
Container
cheddar so the beba. Cheddar so the beba.
Enti say container no bedru airport wa. And they say nya easy access to Buankra.
Yeah.
So also the car. And I bet you container na ba. And nka wa anya kra.
Wa anya kra nke.
And yes you need flighter. They dey fly container na ba. So o checking means of transport na. They be boa pa railway line.
Yeah, train.
Yeah, enti ka yesi Buankra you know. Ese say nka eye simultaneously. What I say? Yesi Buankra ya you know. Nanka ubon say there's a railway line project ya award there e from Accra to Buankra.
No correct.
Fisi yesi Buankra no kura wie na railway line ni wa.
Emedem wa ebesi wo sa.
So that is one basic problem na Buankra ya ye di hu nkomo yi. Contractor ya o makansi. Eye enamu ankofo bi enamu ehunahuna omo from 2025.
Say nipa bi be ko jail.
Yes. So they need to quickly take certain decisions so that okojina quarter with ma cancel be there in one. So
are the contract omo na sign contract ni ya na
because the amount of money expected from them to raise omo ntima raise
sa Ashanti Port Services for no yemode adwuma ne ma omo no sika wo so omo raise no
partners foreign partners and have pathways with them. Ama Ghana government on new port na
allegation na we make you.
There are a lot of documents. Send me say
okay. There are
a lot of documents to it.
But mimi ni binti allege.
These are I have documents with my Tracy. Ama new port na say the port expansion project. Meridian for your ma new building new port. And na people for catch communicators na ka send this for ton port. On is that propaganda no. So who don't now scrutinize almost and then my work through port importation now communicators no raff for the on this kra communicators now me never could be kushia and this for ton port. And I say hey what the platform we now can say what I say because ye dey Meridian no e buy no now sika you make it from the Meridian no and no transmitted $30 million and the shares e wa Ashanti port.
Okay.
It's a serious issue and never akoso ho no. Okay. But there Opa next week Yamfa will bring all the documents here. Now you're taking one after the other. So there's a lot of issues going on. So after studying it, they realize they say the best thing is to do
terminate the contract
and then look at how Skebia Uncle Yenu. They will yes party we parting way with them will not stop Nkofo from
going to jail.
They should now push for Ghana government Sikabia and the government Ghana government have better shares in the company. They want to do about $10 million. And they are not more shares now $30 million.
Wabra ade no so Ghana government dia.
It is a Ghana government to $30 million Why do you award it to a private company then come and buy a shares in that private company?
In that private company.
I found go for bedem. Say Ghana government, you need $30 million.
Alleged.
Oh no.
Uma nipa no kwa mo no so metire ni.
These are public documents.
It's also ebi ono so ba betire ni di mu. Yeah, I've read
someone Okujoto Black platform.
Yes,
all the documents are there.
I've read kakran
so,
of the Okujoto to the platform.
The Ghana government, you need $30 million. Buankra Ghana buying and the person dey kwa. Why do you award the contract to a private person? Then come and buy shares in that your friend is saying private company no in the name of Ghana government.
Yeah.
That alone and tossum and get $30 million go and they do
the man just small constructions said
and I buy say
Oniska be man na ho ye sika foforo na dia
you award it to a private company in the name so Obabesi. Then later mo say enkoso na amanfo obomachi no you took a decision. Now you took Ghana government money, then you go and buy shares in that private company so that they can have money to push idea no. What kind of administrative idea is that? So there are a lot of issues and Okujoto have raised a lot of issues. And to Oma who say and money be wa ya kra unhu but obi be exposing na unhu you want to take action. So one of the actions they are taking determination, but it will not only end in the termination of the contract. They must pursue because there are certain amount of money to be released here. They must pursue it and get to the bottom of it. Now, so that Sebastian by account you can account for every money invested in Bankra. Because do Bankra upon Skaka Kaibo Dini, you. I don't Rafa and never done engineer experts.
Ubon say
there's an underground adebia me who underground adebia nya na o cheche mu dey so why
o see abo e abo
go go jina ho dia don't want to get the see wa dey boabo anwa no
mi engineers nti e dey ko jina ho no ma layman point je won say contractor na degrader na igwiri meka so o ye adwuma
ba ko to ase de won sa ben a
o ne no kre
ntu ko jina ho no see raise diameter so akase you can see but rough mo ye technical people engineers no and personal meeting no say yeah underground idea be na bia me no you do ha ye nhunu so let's assume say the RAF can no
RAF underground idea bi na ye dia
underground
I mean can you see politics radio TV governance and your emotions say you see you know in DC for the way your politics no you don't want say problem get up there be no more to cry draw say me no yin sha say so Kasa Patrick or say oba hu zo bi ton ice water ni nipa ni ento bi mpo ono kra de ni 3 ye se kane agina so watimi ni nsuo
oh no na ho
nya to calm down come tie
because we dey prelims so that obi na prelims
what head that want to push a message in the mind oh Patrick maame na hu na anopa watimi asori ice water siniti no president Akufo-Addo adawro ma kane agina so don ma time na kane anu mpo no de odi be se nsuom odi nsuon be se fridge mkwa na onya bi magazine fo mo de kanea ya adwuma baba fo tailor fo ma hairdressers kanea no mo de be ya adwuma mpo no onya bi na ne se kanea no wo mpo na nipa ne baba akomienu aseye second one Wankra in Lamport from 2009 ebe se 2016 John Mahama ne NDC and am say project no wa santimam nti o ma ho da
this is the first
from 2000 oh my brother
free man penny ko 4 pence
so kum kufo na share project we aso so ho da ye ko gin sase ni nyina to from 2009 ebe se 2016 John Mahama ni NDC nam so mo tan asantifo
dabi
now pass asantifo
asem
ya mami kama se metia no na branch yi propagate lies
but I signed the film
2009 2009 basi 2016 ya antena fida dem antena radio bia so endi Bankra ho komo eneme ne ukasai president Akufo-Addo ne MPP baye ene yetimi nya akwanya be ka Bankra ho asem e kire se over 50% progress a ye hunu no Bankra na MPP ne president Akufo-Addo na anuman ntakra se no ena ere ena tubom ena project no wo ho no kwa de be ka ho asem kom se be wie eno nti no wanya bi ka no se de waje kumkufo sha ase no ena John Mahama ne NDC beto aso mfie nwotwe a anke awie Bankra second one o see so si Bankra no wanya railway line na wonye hu for the development of railway system in this country President Akufo-Addo demu tronko we ye Bankra inland port no ye wo Eastern Railway line Eastern Railway line ya sa se ba be connected to Asante region but so why
o master te
no nipa o secure funding for the railway line I would do nkomo
yeah
funding for the railway line
my brother
minim tema to the empaka da mebo eno John Mahama yebi ena president Akufo-Addo so no ababe bi both MPP ni NDC nyina no yebi tema to empaka da railway line
we encourage history and discussions for this country the bia e koso Ghana bia JM project
because there are facts support it. We are not just speaking out of blue.
We are
not speaking out of blue. We are proving you facts. Parliamentary has that Patrick to support some of the claims. We are not just making claims in blue.
Let me correct your ignorance on this railway line. Mami correct your ignorance, kaka.
Mami ntiu.
Yes, your project na say na woni John Mahama ne NDC beto aso anka sa be here by railway line ye be. I have a lot of information about Boankra. At a point in time, me raise this question to concern Afum port services.
Ashanti port services.
As upon nyina ne lobby say nka ye de railway line no be ka Ashanti port ho. Nanka Ashanti port services be Boankra. Yasadi railway line no akane because now one of the issues are now all raising is say on person or no be manage Ashanti port services no. And as a Boankra no, na another private business ebe manage railway no.
Railway no. Okay.
Say eba so opeso di railway no e sabotage Boankra na obenya no. Because me Boankra no na me managing over 30 years. Na se nipa foforo so e na aban di railway na ma no na okase ototo railway buomu a ebe ma Boankra ne boa be den ama ne mfa so ontimi nya. These are issues that came to bear. At a point in time, a railway need delay. No, now acquire says you see Boankra we are. Just here the high tracks. Echo train your money from port near the Abegu Boankra and San ya train. I'm a railway line. No, I'm connected to Boankra. These are all discussions. Vision a no my see is under implementation. Would you want Nina Santifo Poho? Would you want Minister Santifo project in Boba? And once somebody who could the tabla could the tabla no. Ono anwuna mamu puntu okura wanti na mwadwo ma na tumpon ene ono na aja asantefo asemuka wanya obi adi
Boankra Ghana project.
Last one. I am not an engineer, I'm not a technical person, but I have a detailed information about Boankra. I have a lot of document about Boankra. Intermittently me call Boankra ko information. Me say dokunumpo basic explanation without technicalities. I'm making the ama true and say Boankra no containers. So wako habo wako port da. Ubeko containers and yema sisim na tata so bebre.
Akesi
tata so. Asase no emra. Wo di container ni si wa ebe mem. Asase ni bebu agum. Enti so person ye port na. Ade pa ba ko ehia enye dan na obesie no. Eya asase na ubema na ye packed. Odi abo ni abotan ebegu asase ne so. Ansa na ade anwana kata so. Eno ne earthwork. Eno na contractor for no da bia obeduru ho no say almost tutu anwana agu nchen a obesa obeduru ho bi no makata so. Omo tutu anwana agu nchen na omo de abo kunkun abo abegugu amenanim. No mo sa ade anwana kata so. He edan ni sie no omo sha say omo si dan na sisi so a e just about 1 year 8 months go mesi awie. The most difficult part of the project ne boarding ejisika earthwork no say na me no ka say contractor for no Ashanti Port Service ne just more construction e be ka kire o sika omo de awura asase no ase a o be ka so obi adiska eno ti no wa betena say ebi bedam no sika omo de aye earthwork e de atwe abo e de afil the asase no ama asase no aye compact aye dindindin a wo de containers gusu kra entime memon conform no se ye bosika ne bo kire wa just more construction ko sika akodi ne nsam no ye ka wo wi obeka so obi adiska because wo wadwin mu no unhunu se yesi dan bia eden e de yesi ho eno na NDC for eno ti na nkomo ni dia ye meden
mate
de je nkomo ni dia ye meden ne se
material to aso
yaw nkomo we ni dia ye meden because omo ya ye na NDC MPP as at the time when me betena ha e be raise the issue of Boankra Inland Port ema transport minister frey ye no na enya me ye NDC MPP na ya Asante man na ya Asante project ho asem na na meka but say no NDC for abrakwanom ene Patrick Atuanom I NDC MPP. Enti me ka say one when year you because I have taken a decision, contrary position and decision against the government.
Against your government.
I and also associate so one say yes na be but makuma mu ne madwin mu no ye prempuntuo me man. Ye prempuntuo ma Asante man. Ye prempuntuo me ekuro. And no na governance any politics na gina ho for. because one thing I know, yeni ahimfushia, yeni kromashia, among for common some chain, minimum passe. So Buankra Inland Port area, the NDC within the next maybe 50 years. Asante vote to be around
Mate, Nede at the Safo Raphael Patrick, where the Asante Regional Youth Organizer of NPP. Patrick.
But I think let me also make my clarification. Patrick, Mr. clarification. In all this advocacy I made, I am not against the government.
You are not against your government.
No. Even though I disagree with the general decision of the government, but Makase, many the regional minister report or quote for now Kumasi Asante House of Chiefs or my, I agree.
Mate.
And Mame say the transport minister are frustrated contractor from day one. May attacks and anger. Nyina honorable Kwaku Asiama. Ofuri say ne personal decisions and personal interests be and I'm a contract you have to do so be yes sir and get and I think so far the government has been very good.
You see say you din komona ya pesi you din komono man yet to say party being pass and my I think that's how politics in the rough me know there kebetin has our level na yatra because obviously you go pass and common man and chire party or pass and my asem yam pass and my asem Ura Kumasi CCA, KJTL project in this one. Yan 2 mammy for 7 years, no munya baby nija, and every year. Yan pass and Marasum. And a junior obejina obeduon, and a John Mahama bra, John Mama is KJTN, and a junior contract a song can near no yejuma. More would pass and mine. I'm one more pass and Masem. Mustati KJT Central Market.
Yeah.
Contracted to me a free site over 1 year. How many times I bet not so far? Ya tell my agency to say project BN why I just bossy and I contracted to me free site. Scan modi. So one for scanning ya the for and amundia. There's no way I will call your project. Now I estimate project and the cost. Now this can be kura guso. Now I catch them my phone say bossy and aba. Na a hunsi hunu kra ma buying boka. Now I'm on for a 2 omuda. Obi wa fishes Central Market go yon ko jom biem.
It's true.
But if you have a idea, never cost na besi na me no ka say. Na kwampo de udru a unhu se konata no kwa ho mpo a o ye mpo ni aka say o ye adwuma na ye suro wa free site yi ni nema nyina free site more than afeni fanie o betena say wo na da santema watantema do na enie watantema do no enie. So when we are speaking, let's try and do away with that tribal nema and obi wo Kumasi bia hunu the difference between NDC and NPP say afenya kasa biem. Afia the obodi mpunto brass antiman and the obodi mpunto brass antiman there and this one I am to aba ma omu pono now eye no kure say omu ba omu no mu develop ya santiman enti ya ma mo me emfa san komo no emfa ho now midi komo no me chao say so ye eye Buankra na wanye corresponding railway line eye white elephant. And I'm not sure say Ralph will dispute that fact. So when we came to power, yenim say Buankra no ho. But we needed to make sure say we have ensure say at least there's a railway line that can link it because you see and come on maybe bebre Ralph also want to say that's what I say. Ultimately see ade ni nsi ho no mo. Now you see, we commence preparatory work towards the construction of this new railway line from Tema to Kumasi via the Buankra Inland Port.
Documents been already.
The achievement of the railway.
Okay.
This 2016 manifesto, changing lives.
Transforming Ghana, changing lives.
In the manifesto, no sector B.
2016.
Yes.
Okay.
2016.
Okay.
Sector B. I am a brief of what we have achieved. Then,
the mobile to us. Okay.
The achieve and read it. First one, I must commence preparatory work towards the construction of Eastern Railway Line from Tema to Kumasi via the Buankra Inland Port. So the purpose of that.
Commence work.
The preparatory work
for
the Eastern Railway Line.
Okay.
So the purpose of that was to target
Buankra Inland Port.
And it is stated in here.
Okay.
Say, commence preparatory work towards the construction of Eastern Railway Line from Tema to Kumasi via the Buankra Inland Port.
Yes.
So, Adrian Mama there and say, let's make sure, say, you be see a no crab
na railway line
Buankra Inland Port. Na or your friend or hen no too for near piano. Decide on baby airport ya a luplibian tree and this in yes. Said you no mudim kagugu you could be Kumasi airport you be a contractor and say you was a contractor and then now was September near baby now your project your commission. What is the meaning of commissioning? Dictionary the call read the meaning of commissioning. It's under another for the from one commissioning project. Commissioning no we are there channel contractor say you go busa na aviation minister say it will start operation in September na be September na Ghana gu so when September na be why do you come and do it in May? Now before 2 4 go ho now catch 2 4 say who commission who we are now minister be interview say the airport will start working in September and this in yes sir say be am fa Ghana phone dia gross. So what we did was that we started the preparation work for sir railway line to ensure that by the time the Buankra Inland Port in be it will correspond with that. Yeah. What I say. Yeah. So, Opa means I have about now can so commence works on the construction of the secondary takrade via Kojokrum. Yes. And completed front end engineering designs. Bottom FEED on the Western Railway Line. Kojokuma was to true Dunkwa to Kumasi. Commence preparatory work on the Tema Akosomo Railway Line and I'm not here. So all these things when you railway minister achievement don't forget sir when you railway minister money ministry and money cast in any money resources before they were able to say one or two things almost on why the train bar not train no etua on train na esa bus no any bus difference be anim yes train atimidimi ka social media na da na me hu adekro say na dey na da hoyi say ni na say train na esa bus train a to aso ba ko pe bus on ko fa bus train abad na mkroma na asa ko bo ayim ne say na before na mu yan kasa mo da on say train ye try no akobo ayim train le mu say train am fa nipa ba kokora da yen ne Ghana for anya ne sa. So we achieved all these things in the railway sector without a minister for railways. We see Ghana resources because we were able to until I don't want to oba reduce the amount of ministers. The number of ministers, the number of ministers. Minimum, a maximum of 60, a minimum of 50 should be able to run this country.
But me I say 50. Alan Chamatin say 40.
Seriously, let's put jokes aside. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia team, Raf Kahon, they should start brainstorming. It is not funny anymore. About issues. I don't know, I no, almost Abekabi.
It's Baumia we are your mama.
Manifesto here that
Baumia we are your mama now.
I said the Abekabi ko jina wa na ne ko fo ne say Usukabi no so aka. Na no me ba ya ba ko asisi awasa ebium. In the 2016 manifesto, the mama na NDC can say the newly regions na ya creating na Ebesi University. Na no ko jina say no so Ukabi.
Na Baumia Kabi.
Want also ba also Ebesi universities. Just say
new regions na ya creating.
Ya manifesto we. Baumia we din baba also la no pass what down one op area nyum na. Of find say hospital the do no. To ko jina wa yen sam ya beka bia ebi na wokan the mama say wakotena chire wadi minister wadi president obetena chire na wonya suahunu bi say ministers bebrebe ni krampo no eya na mwa ono wadi about 85 or 86 na rule but also believe say you bit match so nya save Ghana for se kan Ghana for man akonya no ba 2025 for ba but the system ministers and ever who Alhaji Baumia won na kwaku for more than 125
also the 50
also swali by also the mama sister no cry the me so ba me the 50 just say the ebeka bia no kan bi nyata
say Alan so no so the 40
that there for Alan 20 ba me no contest
ba me na me no contest enya
Alan there say obi anim so ntimi mi the ebeka bia na Alhaji Baumia no it is not funny anymore respectfully Raf oben no ka kire ne say papa anumgwase ne yaye mo amanfo kresere ye say ye ni bibia then this for beka bia ne ye ka bi ase ye ka say be ye say pe aso on na no me be kan wa ha say
ye be kan na Baumia promise ye nuanom a omo ye disable no se utire yu wi aseke uri secondary school na okọ university tertiary.
We review I say am I trending social media TikTok say number 88,000 views.
No, number 88,000.
Obia who ana NFL kwa am fast so expose ba. So you see some be quote here manifesto I have grown here. You see we are all sharing ideas. This is the idea but say oh regions now are creating nyina. And this is here by BB University and your track record. Your track record as a party. Actually, say a party or Boamah BB University NDC. MPP before Nibi.
Or some people saw my local government ministry or offenso.
University.
Local government university. Oh, offenso.
Almost
offenso north.
Sa wako.
Me family but pictures of video yes. Oh yes. It's true.
Yeah, universities now yes no can ya nwenjeno ho ansa. What I say uko voter regional. Uko Sunyane a UNE UDS and this na de bae University of Winneba. And this
okay, asma okay na me producer dia ma me graphic online.
Yeah, I'm
5 new universities.
Yeah, yeah, universities no. Yes, akra promises here by university region.
Kumasi die here water no so e mo na mo here.
Rollins na establish here. Yes, ka say. Ene mampon die ni nyina so be say me kan ka. O ka say na this university there tatahwe o. But
I'm for multi university now money project in friend develop.
Out of the 10 technical universities, some fanka homawa and this is the 7 nearby. Apart from Kumasi, ho and Takrade. All the other technical universities in and this established. Out of the 10, 7 of them and this established and this one.
No poly na me boa.
David polytechnic na kasa and you say by technical university also be him say yen technical but yeah establish class polytechnic and this establish wa polytechnic Borga polytechnic you know and you na oh brother yeah NDC just say yes wa NDC Martin wa Ghana the impact amafo animo
Martin now this in doc abana e ma doc akwaba
doc bebo hey you say there so don't tell doc ofri maybe never there
ofri
I see ninya nani o.
Oh, free.
See Borga Kupadi. Otuto gold. Hama bon. Also owura ha na studio ha Borga Kupadi. And then they area yan kwan.
Oh yes.
You see Canada man now here sa.
Oko America nyina.
Of Canada no just American to. Borga Kupadi Otuto gold akwaba.
Dey jai.
Eti me do anu si ne. And this yakase ye ba. All the newly created regions across Ghana. See one when the university and your track record as a party.
Yeah.
Actually say your party but you can see a basic university or Eastern region. You started preparations in your whole documentation parliament
Person na do na besi.
Yeah, ya buy ya de
Nyane o so menya no.
Ya buy o ya buy ya si a just udu no ma hu anya asam keto akra. Ya start ya si na do buy no so omu chemu mienu di bia besi omu krum so te. So university na firi ho no ma da ne ntokwa na ada
nim se na nko mu ye fro ne kofa ntokwa buy
but the fact is that the Eastern Region University is another product of NDC.
Okay.
And so for technical universities, so for universities nya ada there. Yen na Ghana for betima GA di say ye ba sa universities na betima nta Alaji Boamah say o kan yes no. Obetima kuti but once again on SOMPA TV me panicho on give you reference to the NDC man because say Ghana ni bia hu say ye manifesto no mo kan bi into o kan on give you reference in the NDC manifesto page 33 omo so omo ba omo be yesin me Boamah
manifesto the 2016 manifesto no
okay Boamah oda ho
okay
o find say hospital do no prayer anwumere na okojina obia no o kan bi so you should always give reference whenever is referring yeah say yeah omo de na you be give you reference say yes omo kan say bi na
mama tell conversation on this
doc akwaba doc akwaba
yeah me say kuba me so boa me shortly it's so good KJTR projects company or airport KJTR maternity block obi ankoji is kenni yeah you see Patrick
a contractor Brazilian
any the UK buy or sponsor project Bronisi ka engine deal project way Ghana buying koji sika to wa oyi di ye no waka say you see some of this propaganda platform we so nti ya oti dwamu a yan correct wo mo na enuanu NDC for sa campaign we obi entimi money sire mu nka de ope
nti ka fact
nti de wo kan nya no obi ankoji sika ndi o ka fact debt restructuring IMF ya kwa IMF e won se say be to calm down
Mr.
my goodness and the man sa delay kakra, but even regional minister making this statement publicly. I can say you be airport project na wie and in the maternity block no mpo wie ansana yakọ
central market
because of the negotiation and ongoing. What better so be aji sekedi. Let me come back. Come on to na wo kasa na metia. Yeti kuma. Me nua Patrick Atua. Atimi ahwe bukum. Buku no me hwe buku no mu bi. Say ya wie railway line eba Boankra
obi akasa wa
also commencement of works also commencement of works
no asama men kan now what is you what now what said about utirima kasa me say I've not said that when you quote me quote me have I said that
me correct commencement of preparation works.
Now commencement of preparation work ni adro railway line go book no.
Wo bi adro railway line bia book we adro railway line.
The attitude. Patrick.
No, he's putting me. And my reputation is on the line.
Matthias.
I have not said that.
Matthias.
Yaw. Patrick etinya hwe bukum. I describe railway line abesi Kumasi aman abra me no mienu. Yam fru train wo Kumasi a. But NDC Giribu. Oh, I
No, don't put me on this. I will not allow you because
now we see you out there.
No, asma me.
We see you me ba choose ya bon check me
I said it here.
Patrick,
why do you say that? Mrs.
Your man can no too
Mate, Etia,
what you have book what describe look at this. The major problem I want to KJT market Joma Mani NDC and the Dia Santimani Grady for Okumase Bonnie. The only say KJT Kakrake or Mita Bakupena connected.
Mr.
Patrick, 2024 sa campaign. Yeah.
And I'm with stores. Mucha stores in Mama Busia for more. And I'm with tobacco pebble.
So na moye. What's the moye market no? Okay, kwanu to me mention wade. So we see what there be a won see dan da. Ma mention wade. Patrick,
and I'm me adwuma yo.
Ma mention wade kaka etiefo tie. Nipa bebre hwen.
Baby dey kan almost na rap.
Tie me. So what see dan da. Na onim kwan e si le huma. Ene kwan a etimi di meter bomu a. Enye wo si fie ni wi na o tire be meter ba ko na say o fie no e 4 apartment a. So 4 apartment na 10 apartment a. O le meter ba ko from apartment 14 ni nyina. Mona musi market. Mona mo. Problems are KJT for and no.
You see.
This week. Hear me. So we see Abonsai 2020. Now apartment a woman 50.
Oh my goodness.
And yet we see dining we are. And I'll bet you baby meet a door above. Who shall see a see dino? Ubele cables.
And the one lay cables.
Me see KJT akakrakai. Tie me kwanu tum. Ma me tire na wonim.
Oh, Rafujai.
KJT akakrakai. KJT market. For now problem edwemfo wo pa ne se KJT akakrakai nyina over 5,000 stores no. Me tabako pe ne bom.
One the ball.
Mona musi market. Na mo ne huma ne nyina na mo ye.
Okay, let me give you the data.
No, commissioning done by MPP. NDC we o man timi anwie. MPP na beto aso be wie. Na mom ye baaye no. Na mo le huma nyina ye mita ba ko pe.
On SOMPA TV.
Me say we are free ECG for company for both national and Accra. Na busa market for ne say e dey be nti na ye say sign ye pese ye ma o mu meters mpo ye ntimi le.
Goodness.
Say answer na Ghana ban ni care me. Here for some pine. Ye program we. Me ni wodi nkomo ne. Honorable Samuel Pine. The Ashanti Regional care me mayor.
Ye ne nyina na teswa me Accra.
Friend no busa ne say ne major headache. Ne problem pa wo dwem ha. And they say market kakraka over 5,000 stores. John Muhammad the meter ba ko penny.
Oh, you see, you don't allow this. I mean, how do you allow this on this big platform?
Contractor ni see yen.
How do you allow this?
Mama ya on kasa bi.
Contractor no.
You see, no. You can't say John Muhammad the meter ba ko be book on this platform.
Anya ni ye be kire mu.
This big platform.
Anya ni ye be kire mu etua. Contractor ni see yen no. Ana omo so omo ye no. Omo ye ne central. Omo ye ne central.
Asama ya wo ka no.
Omo so omo ye ne according to Nana Muhammad hene. According to Nana Muhammad.
You are in free me so. You are in free me nkomo.
Okay. According to contractors omo ye no. Omo so omo ye no.
He's a board member. He knows a lot about the market, so he can speak. To quote him.
According to adwuma no omo ye no a central point meter.
Central ka e brofo kanchi.
Meter ba ko pe. E no omo de ball.
Ya wo ka no credo do. So I don't that be correct me me di no. Ya wo ka no too much. The whole over 5,000.
7,000 over 7,000.
Patrick, this year we are going to see Montaka
Rafu nyina munya botere oh
na time wa nyele no ya ba do discussion what kasa me how many times have I kasa
to me
oh
you are not being fair to me
Raf so kasa you
are not being fair to me
so kasa me fair to you now so oh
ya ba highway no wo to
Patrick for me anu some moment to ask Meba.
Oh, but now German can say obi tika ma you see
microphone say off doc marching Debbie mummy no Debbie ye beba so enu abi na doc ba be ke beba so mesramo Doc marching. Doc marching. Now here.
Na mensha se ntumi nua mbirumufo. Omakuma mrafom.
Omakuma no kra ni suro na saa no motie, saa no mie no motie. Mo. Omumie no nyina saa no motie.
The Patrick and the Patrick.
Oh, Patrick for me no.
Drew stage ya. Nearma we mo ya mo ntoni down. Akra den e wo ho because said the monim no nkra bibiri di mo chia wo mu usua mo.
Okay.
I this business of communication no.
Okay.
Enti to that.
Not the okas why yeti.
But no but utraka say the mama na di meter be ball keje Patrick. E was SOMPA TV so. E be dey na show na yidin.
E ba cho for manya this announcement. Mr. Mo a yes current weather situation no. Say yeti dem say so won say abonten ye kukura. Mr. Mo say umpia bonten ko e bibia tenafie mesrem a current weather situation no me ba cho say mu betime the pictures na mu twa sisia no outside SOMPA building current weather mo de betu TV ni so ma yeti for ehun say asema ye ken enye bosrem ka enka eni beje pa nsuo mu na pa ma enframa no say ote kukuru na ekoso abonten nti say umpia bonten ko pehia mesro eya na wakafie ede amaye doc pacho to asuma
toda we have to set the record straight we eventually in our bid to defend our position it made a lot of situation for there be am has some tunisu agum once again na innocent yaw
doc
there were there say me nuam you no ati o mu ho ase
so wa oni mo so man
time na nka me de be ma wo
mo yeni nkomo doc yeni nkomo ye started with Buankra eni abobo dia babedu baby ayedru ya say Baumia ye dia babedu Baumia John Mahamai eni issues KJT and central market
discussion na too centered on political line wa mpimpi ya na menye comfortable
yes
the Ghana for any ye chief for mo hwe ye wo mu tie na no pay wo mu major interest and is the what will put food on the table.
Yes.
Now mine na yinyina ye chichire no ebekọ nanim.
No crepa.
I was listening to the debate. We did this, we did that, we did what. The summary of the program I face ne say oman no ye ni agenda. Oman no ye nhye the vision. Into obia ba oba be ye de a bit tailored to suit the political aspiration. Intina answer na kroma ubehu asphalt road no na kwai no ye guso not less than 3 times. Ye near the sapetia be guso within 1 year na kwai na tutu ni akofa foforo dia be guso another year na tutu. Say me ma example a bebe fie ya wadai enu amekwayi ewo mi krom bo ma itirim mi nua aboaje ne papa Reverend Dr. Lawson Efrim.
Okay.
Ti ne kura me sorry free ha me ko.
Okay.
Minim kura no bo ma itirim. There was an MPB and a friend Abremu under NDC.
Yes. Abnamu.
I'm say be kind 96.
Yeah, 96, 92.
96.
Yeah, 96.
Emma wo mu gu kwai ne so a de bedu animu ho baby. Unfortunately, it ended there. Yeni ba ye ho so no na kwai ni nyina tutu. Fast forward under honorable Opochichiku. Once again NDC so kwai no wo mu say gu kwai no so ye ne sapete sa de ko pie chichwere. 2-3 years down the line, kwai ni nyina tutu. Thank God under current regime Collins Adumakumo.
Yeah, Collins Adumakumo
and my former MP Nanama for the initiative process and Collins Abe execute adwuma. Yeah, I was shocked to note Enra to observe say almost a kwino as I shall say. A free
Boa my other cottage red. As a sapeti and I'm a boy.
Not kwano, womu ye and nanka ye power, meaning what has happened. Minim ya we dada ya we be 1 year 1 to 2 years.
Yes. Omo ye be 2 years.
You be ba bo man into free of ahinkro kwa that first portion no ya titanimu nyina ba beyond ahinkro to chwechwe e kwa ye within 2 years ni nyina asay den 82. The point I want to make is that as on my ye nya ni so ade hunu na ye niema na ye se be just to suit our political interests here. This debate, menam here this, menam here why, menam here why, ni nyina will come into bear. And it doesn't inure to anybody's benefit. By the end of the day, yen the masses na timono and ye den, ye so far. Ya men fa unko achibim. Again, me another example. Ye radwan ajekum ko 4 peso. And ye sa offensu road.
Yes.
Sa kwai no, obeye no, ye ba kwanum kese Emma money to compensation. Raf, me did say okay process no. Is a senank ye be ya kwai ne kese preko as at that time no. Ya anya kwai no. And ye ni too late. 20 years, is it even 20 years? 15 years later, you realize see I am from so. Yen sama ye bi. Unfortunately for my Ghana, baby bia ye be major construction work. People lose their source of livelihood.
Yen no crepa.
Intina me ye ka say Ukofa so amekwa no ho a
so amekwa hu nyina your stores ne empata bia o mabubu ya yeni mo ase kra e de konya de kosi ze macro junction.
Yes.
Na yeda ne ye car park akakra bi na on be ye free hono na o de come macro junction na wafa macro junction na through to new road junction so adan bebre ne ade on be clear the free ho to ease traffic. Bekwa runabout to Santase runabout buildings are omakekegu for manya enyasem ketwa.
Sure.
Yes. And there's one so omobe ya manfo be super Abreport Junction. Na mene consultant ne din komo. O say Abreport Junction traffic light no on be 12 ho no ma underpass e Abreport Junction. Na oma be 2 crow from traffic light e free ho no ma another underpass. Crow from traffic light inti free airport runabout e ba obefa esro sa abesi Abreport Junction na ode akosi sofula interchange ne so
enti ya me na mo floor no so
yeah
camera so na
mesra Patrick ne
contractor NDC Mati
you
aso kwa interchange ko
Lake Road.
Doc, Mampacho meet you.
The Amami make this submission in say. As our mind, we need to have a blueprint for our development.
Sure.
Into way back, no abayeni, wabeso ho kakra. People lose their source of livelihood. Yeah, me nyina yentwe adwenko. Me enya politics with the submission.
Yeah.
Mo he so for lie. Those times na you sana na ekono. Baby a atwoma bank ne.
Yes.
Eduma
Eja usu cement ene ade no mo wo ho no mo tonton cement. Na filling station bi so ho.
Eba
na market bi no mo ton bode na ho na mo yi bode pa. Yes, e wo chire ho. Yes.
Ti dia me pesa me kan say wo man no ye de ense ekoka bibia. Ye nya 50-year objective for the project.
Yes.
Unfortunately, even so I'm it is a good project. But me hwe ba bia ye bubu ekoso ye. Any ba bia ya say ye gata edit to na. Honestly speaking,
ye na kese pa. Osi buda ni bi keka ho na ye bi abe 4 lanes.
No na your mind is kasem.
Compensation na no dey.
Boss, no get in your mind is kasem.
Your mind is kasem. By yenya de ensa akoka.
Doc, sokoban, we okay na make.
Yenya de ensa akoka.
Sokoban. Ya ye kwan na be
mo
yes
bosom bi so ho. Enya bosom.
No, that's what no compensation.
Dabi o yes
enya bosom.
Me kaise Kofi Job.
Obi aka tro se bosom.
Me kaise ani Kofi Job di nkomo.
Enkura wo kwan no so nyina, omo eka omo nyina. Compensation no. Omo ba sesen ye no. Omo amebua ametua about 5-6 years later. And omo ba say on person omo bebu. And omo say the cost of materials and cost so you need to come and evaluate it again. Which residents no the omo kan so eto asum.
Oh Dabi.
And the better said then they need to review the whole contract.
Okay.
And I must say, how could they say atra? Now there's a decision from government say yeah single lane.
Something you
say my gates. No, so my update on them fever. My gates say they say the double road no.
I see
now first of all my corona bunting.
I see sa no ho na
a new president for senior high school.
Yes.
Hey, Sokoban JHS.
Yes, I know na. Yeah.
Now we have agreed so omo ye no.
Single beyond Sokoban Krono.
There's another ekwan so.
Dabi, ni nyina ye single lane.
If you on mo corner there, e single lane sa ko si trade but ekwan ni muso.
Yeah, but single lane. Yes. But the point that Ekoma would in America say, even when I agree say, ya no single lane.
Yeah.
It's over a year now. Konata ne begina ho aso ofele kwana so ye gata one side bi kwa wanwie o ma say ja
Mandok nkasa bade o wrong mate something to do with
mate mi jamu aye besa ye ne say doc ma mi ntie o
ye can say mo ma prioritize
your development no ye fan 10-20 years 30 years ni ansa nko ho biem.
Last week my best studio na me di me now from.
Yes. Yes.
Me feel
ye ne Lord nunsa.
Yes.
Ye ne esedu.
Me see from me hwe Asante region na me raho. Because Raf say within 24 hours na me gina Mississauga Pearson Airport e Toronto. And ye di me be see JFK e US. Then within 10 hours na ma be do me chrome na me see from me hwe situation on the ground. Na me hwe ho no me si form ana me tuo
dum so bia ni wo dum so ba me ngura mu ni ade a
kwame to ba
kwa wa hu dum so da
kwame mfa me nko ho
dum so obetene mu a
ma se nyina ne se ye prioritize o man ni ye die anya ne sa ye betena se ye this NDC MPP in the 50 years to come ye funu kura nkofo betu o e mabunu no betu because they will realize that ye di o man na bro. And say wo kan wo hunu me my example enne wote ho ahwe obotom see the kind of situation ye kom ye be ma blame games and exchange rate I say see the depreciate we na akofa ba instead of us finding lasting solution to the problem na ye kono the bian we do politics with it. Yes ren enne say I have decided anytime I get the opportunity to be on radio I'll go the hard way. And last week be so ya mayeni na ho ne e ka say import driven country 24/7 enu nti na me esi depreciate I am telling you
new
that
innovative
fact
ideas
it's a fact no crapa but it goes beyond that
24-hour economy
all the countries in the world all the countries we are see more than 70% of the countries we are see our import deficit and I say trade deficit.
Yes.
Why are they enjoying stable economy? This week, business funder at the Abasa Ivory Coast is overtaking South Africa in terms of strong economic growth.
Okay.
They are our neighbors.
Okay.
Check even Zimbabwe, Uganda, Gambia. What is happening? That they've able to enjoy a stable environment.
Yeah.
Example na ya ma asesiano. Ye be kwa akwaji sika ye de be project empatch asema make me nka ma de kan jim efri na adam pen so because situation na ye wom no ye ya ye hwe situation na ye wom ne ya no ne aka ho asem ba mpanimfo bu bebi ye senya da obetu nsu atwa obeto bo
atwa nsu frau
enti problem na ye wom no enye ne de ana de agwa akowuram wo check na sa wo so ye Ghana analysis of this country sika yakwaje ni project yesi ede ye na wo se wo ye forensic audit ya afi wo beti ase de ntia da bia ye sika na ye den depreciating.
Okay.
US ni trade deficit wo ka boma wo ka the whole of Europe boma US trade deficit esu che wo mu ojina do ojina wo yi nu frima wo kwa oma bi ti say France Germany wo ka wo mu deficit boma e huge wo ka 20 largest country with the trade deficit ye ka trade deficit ya and no na settle balance of payment e chese enam so kofa niam bebre frama no ne benti no usika no the airborne manim the ekwa abonten usika ndo do na abekwa abonten okwa Africa ha o mai odika ye Egypt as at 2022 yet they are a bit stable as compared to our situation yen every 6 months since semani teye 1996 na mani ye den e fiba every 6 months ye be ka CD depreciation. Their cover buy no ebi ne example na yama no
mate
bacho mi mo obi adi their cover buy me ka say yantimi anya adwuma na se de sesete ye kwaji sika no isese de be ye adwuma no ne de awada ye de wada na nkofo alusu omo capital 2 years down the line na project na say we have to go back and reborrow to do it again every day.
Yeah.
Sa problem na you go
regime bia de hu for.
I'm sorry enti my brothers me kind of credit chemo me ba ha na muni ha say ya program I don't enjoy it Raf asase
jima Keskin. Yeah.
Whenever I meet you guys I enjoy coming to these stations every morning my culture bros Nansabi Yakofa you could see my demeanor no they destroyed the program. The level of intellect I wanted to hear. I'm sorry. There are two interviews for Patrick and Patrick. Meaning say no your political heat, you know. Pacho Montoni down. More minor and teaching.
At the end of the day, Patrick at the policy ba Safo Ralph Patrick Ralph so the need ba it is to build Ghana. And to say antias yes
and throw the saying you jail platform sana boy.
Oh yes, entina mo kan sem ne bia ye question mo say ade we mo be ne say enti pro be fa he na wo de ade we akwa akosi entina e do bia ye question mo
just a way of communication eto da twi bi wo ho ano den entro na ya na da bia no amamo kasa amonte mo ho ase no say me use the word entro the use of the word semantics.
No compare but ade enye obi control kaka say say no ma the meter be go compare me can say
say be o madro no
this for me dey atem sa no we dey atem we the fact is that NDC manage KJT ada and this
yes
you manage KJT ada so any managerial default piano IMPP
okay
and he say mona mo form board mona mo form management not a single NDC person na also yen ye see here but yen your company chair market fence store so no mona be chair yen the original KJT project na say ni nyina ye lorry terminal. And you don't have stores, but you know that time, yeah, press conference, I was part of that press conference. When we saw, say, almost 10 years, I also be to stores. Say, there be the original one, I didn't go for Brazil, no, I'm correct. I see any a car park. And this I'm telling the stores, Mubama, I cast, I choked to a horn. The original minister came and responded, say, Nipa no ma locate no man, ya see any be and mama say I for tracer. That was your decision. So any management error be ubehu kejetian. AMP because and this manager kejetiada. Management they decide they say meter near the buy yes say yes and say buy no ye din. No so ma go be ediaban. So a management decision like that, you sit on a big platform like this, your mama the meter back be book kejetia. Your mama manage kejetiada. Board members na on end this ni be no management end this ni be no. So it's all because our hasen ya. Mr. Obriabo, I am a program now heated. Because you know that they are working on crap, but you think that Nipa na 18 you can confuse them. So you're putting it across. And that is what will make the program heated. Because you know, sir, NDC is a fact. We have never managed KJT before.
Mate.
And they say any ura KJT nim na say maybe KJT ohoy. Emu contract nyina ma chafa. Security. Do cleaning. Do bibia mo party for na ma cheche bibia for. So see mo ba e mo che ma che.
Okay.
And they say bibi obi through management. Bibi nkwaye na kumasi for e was ubuo bia. Wo say John Mahama na. Esa say John Mahama de be see yenti no. No no na manage. Emu bibia no no na eye. But esa so no de be see yenti no. Yan ko hwe John Mahama ne amfa embo no so wo. And you sit on radio because they say amu ni message. Na ye manifesto na mu wiewia no ko ye ja amu nti no. You get a big platform and the other be can say John Mahama de meter ba ka be bo kejetia. I mean, it is something. I hold rather sama. And so be our source.
I mean, same way. I was asking me. The man say stores I walk KJT market. Over 7,000 stores.
Yes.
Who sit down? And you was sit down and we who lay huma. Obi was sit down pay beer and him say. Who sit down? Who lay pipes? Who lay wires out the bear? Or then can you have a fee?
Yeah.
And you was sit down and we no. What's the stores na we no na? Ode humane fam there be John Mahama ne NDC na say project na say almost sase no ehuma omo e fa dan ni nyina no ekowie mita ba ko MPP e ba ban ni akoba se senka ye sign ewoya market ni nyina afofo na ye timi di mita ma ko e dia market women and it is very difficult yaw so person o correct sa debate here we a neutral person Monday free CG for company for mo nyamanyofo ne busa o mo no kure wo sa me di manu be si na wo se John Mahama and Dr. Mamudu Baumia and ma nyamre and respond to this
yes now this is your 7th year 7 years no untimi mfa meter ma o
I was say we live
years down the lane you still can provide meters you are sitting on 7 years because we are not helping Ghana
market project na o say John Mahama dia Semba market project na o say o John Mahama dey say no wie ye
next topic
name problems are
me bejimu 2 minutes on CD ne
me ba ye o ka market na o say o John Mahama dey say no wie ye problems kakaka abamu a emma market ni mutana nye de o say no the MPP for na be
management problem
kwanu to
manage
kwanu to
no the problem is a managerial
program no
massa my expose say
o see project no and John Mahama ni NDC na say no wie ye e ba problems wo me the MPP
because we na manage
na mom ni refi say project NDC ne John Mahama say mbomo ntimi anwie na MPP wo me na beto aso unlike John Mahama obeto
mate
for project ni na oja no ya wansa na
mate
so I can say me also voter registration exercise has been a very successful devoid of dedebia. And Mijin said the numbers in this are very good. Maka said the commitment and dedication, loyalty of the young people who are Ashanti region has been very exceptional. Mebo Mabuna wa Ashanti region abaso. Oh, Ashanti region, Nipa 100 to about 90% to my people, you know. And the electoral commission, they are banning so my extending 2 days. Mesere say amount for
Nenkebe and the Monday say I'm the call Wednesday.
Especially secondary school for they are the senior headmasters. On the first 2 days I am meet them secondary school for no on buy na network no first 2 days na e basa and yes I extending 2 days e go di Wednesday by that time no na nkwara no bebre go back to school nti e be friend e be said masters ni say omo man coordinating na sa 18 years almost secondary school nyantim ko register this week na Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh.
Yes.
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh,
the incoming vice president of the Republic of Ghana.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Yo, umpai wa ubo.
The incoming running mate.
Patrick. Onipa timi so da ye.
Incoming vice president. I mean, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, the incoming vice president of the Republic of Ghana. So even if well, we need 2024. Say
many people body di. Oh, na kuma who did as your body dey.
Oh, na Patrick, it will support Napo.
Patrick, Yo, concept.
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. That's it.
Any journalists was any party officials any youth no. You think say Asante Regional Youth Wing, 70 constituency youth organizers came out publicly declaring support for Dr. Mahmoud Boamah, declaring support for Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, appealing to Dr. Mahmoud Boamah say the dodo na ka no me gye say sa to me wey Dr. Mahmoud Boamah nko na to me ne won anum so obobo obidin na nso yeso wa ho adwenkyere ne ho adesere de
nsusu ye ayede bema no
sa birthday wey adesere de ne me mpai bo pa ba ko amede ma Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh ne say ya Santema Sufre ne mram
okay
I was say we are going back to Ahimfie 1957
okay
NLM yet no man sha Ahimfie
okay
the National Liberation Movement
Mate medase
MP owura se running mate ne comment
mama ntia
enti ya mama na happy birthday
WMP owura FN say
Honorable Collins Adomako Mensah
deputy energy minister
deputy energy minister
Naradu we nyina ba ya onye dada
masa was code dada
owura Mensah is a fantastic guy
yes
fantastic Boamah
Afidako Abre no Boamah yeah what trend this yes what trend this Collins Adomako Mensah
Patrick onyame ketwa
me na na fie for that was bi on kan o say oni pa say
odidi o ma obidi
what is
dem so o tie na duma so o tie communicate
na po pepe
say the boss no to sesian
na poku na po uni
eto na bo Collins Adomako Mensah
o eni passe
minya ka meto na bandisi esuni
obeto ni na po nyina bandisi
na po de ya to anke ato ne na
ko beto ni da
paid e bia onu de ka be se Messi mu de ni bi o isa o de what the 120 million pounds Kadi Moro Yakubu Muni ayi muna
so na de akoje na baba
na akoje na fa ba
eye mo
na po ni souvenir ndi si kametro
baka ni souvenir eni Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh
no it's a fact
that's right
na post one
ni bi
what akodo how dey see ni
ni bi I am saying it on national television na po
yes
ni bi when this
yes
se bia e wo ha mi de minhia no
okay untia no
Patrick no kure ka on
ni bi say no
ntimi nyim
I know dey ka dey unim na me di wie no me di e mo me ka ni
ni bi no betima church
o say
munni ni subi no betima church
Doc, and come on, so they come baby pro. What they come baby pro?
To be NDC. Dientina, ubet na church. But the statement is pregnant.
Sir, Obia or DMPA. Who do in the area of Bia so Yaman Kono post, Yaman Kono
executive party.
Put him not
next week in the atlas.
I did be to me this week, many
next allowance, Nana.
Debbie, make a total fried rice. 30 Ghana cedis. Who did say tax was
propaganda?
Take away, Kako. Walk of Vegas. Walk of Vegas. COVID-19. Private fried rice.
And I'll go ban. No, but
COVID-19. And I say 29 pesos. Who got the seed? And the giants get fried rice. 1 cedi 50 pesos. Different. But 477%.
So did it
fried rice. 30 Ghana. Now don't never me the tax and 7 Ghana.
On the note of 7 Ghana cedis, my main for more NCA. Madam say, me pacho, my birthday see na yenko. My birthday see na yenko. Good. I'm for okay. Happy birthday to Florence Bonsu. Florence, Dodona Freno, Flop baby.
Africa.
I am ready to lead. And happy birthday to Phyllis Osei Boatma. Happy birthday to Phyllis Osei Boatma. Phyllis Osei Boatma. Yaw pages or Kesben Media. Say Oma Erama. A friend of Phyllis Osei Boatma. A happy birthday. Oma a happy birthday. And Mikwe. Minya said destiny ewo formina said destiny or hey anopay and Ray so ewo hini on so hey anopay me so Calvin patch for me 1 minute pe 30 seconds pe yanko 30 seconds pe Calvin 30 seconds pe yanko
Boamah, I am ready to lead. I am ready to lead. May present a copy of this dollar. The vision of Dr. Mahmoud Boamah. 15 hours.
Okay.
Next president of Ghana.
Senior host. Macho, you imagine the marking kind.
Dr. Mahmoud Boamah.
15 cities dollar.
15
I am ready.
I'm